Hello everyone, today we are looking at the Emax Hawk 5 bind and fly racing drone. The Hawk 5 comes with an XM Plus already built onto an F4 tower with 30 amp ESCs. Simply bind your radio and get going. For your FPV feed you get a 600 TV line Foxeer Micro V2 and a 25 to 200 milliwatt 5.8 video transmitter. The motors are Emax's own brand 2206 2300 kV spinning AVAN Flow 5-inch props. This gives you an all-up weight of just 270 grams. So let's take it for a spin. Okay, so we can fly it pretty good, but what's it like with a real racer?
All the bitches on me cause I'm so. All the bitches. All the bitches on me cause I'm so fly. All the bitches.
So that was racing pilot Night Fury putting the Hawk 5 through its paces, and I'm pretty sure you would agree with me in saying that that was pretty spectacular. If you have any questions or comments, then feel free to message us at Quadcopters or check the items description.